Take your gameplay, click on it and go to adjust. Here you can copy my settings or you can also use your settings. Now go to effects and take Smart Sharpen. Here you can see the comparison between without effects and with effects. Now click on adjust. Here keep sharpen to 15, range 80. Filter, you can keep this according to your satisfaction. I am leaving it at 15%. Blur 30. Now export it. For anime, take any HD anime clip and go to the adjust and copy my settings. Wow, it looks prestigious. Now take the Smart Sharpen effect and extract it to the last and open adjustment. Here for anime, sharpen 20, keep range 60, filter 50, blur 30 or 40 between. Now export it. You can use one of the settings for Marvel clips or any of movie clips. Hope you learned something from this video. Leave a like for more future tutorials. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. Goodbye.